So Google surprised everyone with their Pixel 9 series launch date. Yes, according to the source, Google Pixel 9 series will launch on the 13th of August. Last time Google released their Pixel 8 series in the month of October, and usually Google released their Pixel series in the month of October. So why Google released Pixel 9 before 2 months? As you guys know, Google Pixel 9 come with many new AI features. So if Google launched their phone in the month of August, give a chance to Google to showcase their new AI features ahead of Apple's next iPhones, which are also come with many new AI features. Let's talk about the new AI features that will come in the Pixel 9 series. The first feature we have, Add Me Help to improve your photo. Basically, Add Me Fix someone blinky eyes in the group photo. So if you have Google Pixel 9, so you don't need any retake photo, with the help of this feature, you can fix any group photo. The second feature is Studio. It's like all-in-one AI image generator like Apple's Image Playground. Studio integrates with apps like Messages and Notes, letting you create fun and playful images directly within the app. In the last feature, we have Recall Features. Basically, this feature captures everything on your screen and search-related. About this information on Google, but due to consumer privacy issues, Google paused this features. So let's talk about the design and color in the Google Pixel 9. According to rumors, a new color come in the Pixel 9 series, which is peony color. And Google Pixel 9 have a flat edges, which is a change from the rounded sides of the Pixel 8. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.